Are you looking to start a business with maximum privacy and asset protection? Then you have made the right choice with Wyoming. Whether you're starting a new side hustle from home, investing in real estate, or running an online business, Wyoming is the gold standard for LLCs. It offers strong legal protection, zero income tax, and most importantly, it keeps your personal name off the public record. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the official step-by-step process to form your Wyoming LLC correctly. We'll set it up so your personal home address stays private and your assets stay protected. First, click the link in the description or visit our website to access the official formation page. Once you're there, start with the company details. Enter your desired company name in this box. Make sure it's unique and ends with LLC. Under where do you want service, ensure Wyoming is selected. For type of business, choose LLC. You will see a question about sending lawsuits to your attorney. Simply select no. Next, enter your business purpose. Just write a brief sentence describing what your business does, like e-commerce business. Now, this next step is critical for your privacy. At the physical address field, select our registered agent address. Even if you live in the US, I highly recommend this. It keeps your personal address off the public internet. Of course, if you actually have an address or office in Wyoming, you can select your mailing address. But most people should choose the registered agent address for privacy. Next, select the management type. Choose member managed. This means the company is owned and managed by you. Manager managed is only used if you're hiring an outsider to run the daily operations. Then fill in the member details. Type your first name and last name here. Then click continue. On the next page, you can add extra tools. If you need a dedicated business phone line to keep your personal cell phone private, check the box for phone service. Then click continue. Now we are on the contact info page. Don't worry, this information is safe. It is only for the registered agent to contact you. It does not go public on the public record. Enter your first name and last name. In the phone number field, enter your actual phone number. Under the country drop-down, select your country of residence, whether that is the United States or elsewhere. For the home address, enter your real address exactly as it appears on your ID. Again, this stays private. Below that, enter your email address and create a strong password. You will need these details to log into your dashboard later to access your legal documents, so make sure you remember them. After that, click continue. Finally, enter your payment details here. And click submit. Once the payment is processed, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. You'll likely see an option to add a tax ID, also known as an EIN. This is the number issued by the IRS that identifies your business or banking and tax purposes. You can add the service here, or you can apply for it yourself directly with the IRS. Finally, click submit to finish your application. And that's it. Your Wyoming LLC will be formed typically within 1 to 4 business days. Once approved, you will find your article of organization and all official documents waiting for you right inside your dashboard. Congratulations, you have just successfully formed your Wyoming LLC. You now own a legal entity that offers privacy and professional credibility. Your next steps will be to download your documents from the dashboard and use them to open your business bank account. If you haven't started yet, the official link is right below this video. Go ahead and secure your company name before someone else takes it. If this guide helped you save time and money, please hit like and subscribe for more business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.